Come on. Thank you. Some of you may have not have noticed then that that is not Alex in the background. Oh, speak of the devil. Hello, you are on loudspeaker and on video as well.
Oh.
How are you?
Not so bad. Not so bad.
We just had Marie's pinched your line.
What? Which one?
Action.
I don't have many lines.
She just did the action, but she didn't do the nod.
Did she not do the point and the duck and everything?
She did the point, but not the duck.
Okay.
Well, there you go. She's doing a crap job, so your job's still safe then. Where are you?
Just outside Toulouse.
Outside Toulouse, on the way down to Benidorm?
To that area, yeah. If we can get anywhere near it.
Oh, why?
Campsites everywhere, chock-a-block.
Do you know why?
Because I said I will go in, I'm sure.
I think it is because we mentioned on YouTube, didn't we, that you'll be there. There'll be banners and everything lining the road.
What? Did you say banners or bangers? People wanting cars repairing?
Either or, to be honest. So, is it everything going all right?
Yeah, we had a nice long drive yesterday. We're 500 and some mile, I think it was.
All right, okay.
Tanking a bit of juice anyway.
Yep. Oh, brilliant. As long as you're on schedule, that's the main thing, and nothing's gone wrong.
Yeah, well, it's just like being at home.
Oh, is it? What, miserable and dark?
Yeah, wet and windy.
Oh, God. Right. Hopefully it'll change when you get further south.
Yeah, today's the first day we've had a bit of sun, to be fair.
All right, okay.
It's quite nice a minute.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. It's not shorts and t-shirt weather yet, but...
No, right. You're still in the not just campers woolly hat?
Yeah, I've taken my thermal underwear off at least.
We don't need to know that much detail. Remember, this is a family show.
Family-oriented show.
Yeah. All right, I'll let you get back to it then, buddy.
All right, then.
All right, well, have a good Christmas. Say hello to the viewers.
Hello to the viewers.
All right.
Have a nice Christmas.
All right, mate. You too. I'll say hello to your Andy for me, and I'll see you when you get back.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
That was good. So he's in Toulouse on his way to Benidorm. And I'm stuck here. We're not doing a video today on the RS because that has gone to Lee's. It came and got picked up, so Lee has got it at the moment. We're probably going to do updates on it, on how he's doing, because as well, if you don't know the colour choice, go back to last week and you'll see what colour we've chosen, which we're doing with black gloss highlights. So that's over there now. The Audi, I've just played about with the suspension this week and the wheels and tyres and got everything set right, so it's sitting perfectly now. Really, really happy with that. And one of the big jobs, obviously, I needed to get everything done and out the way for Christmas. So I've still got these on. So what I've been doing this week is doing this fan, been putting air ride suspension on. Would have been out by now, but unfortunately it hasn't gone to plan. That's why there's a big box here, because we've just had this overnighted. The suspension that we thought it was, and the customer thought it was, and the DVLA say it is, it's not the T30 suspension, it's a T32 suspension, which is different. So we've had to overnight everything. So thanks to Luke at Plush for doing that for me and getting that sorted out very, very quickly. So I need to get that finished today. We'll just do a quick update on the subscriber count, because I just had a look a minute ago, just before we started the video, and it is, drum roll, da, 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 da. No drum roll. So it is 11,162. Really good is that. Well, gone up quite a bit actually. That's it. I've got to go and run this van, get this finished. I'm going to make a cuppa. All that remains for me to say is I hope you and your family, friends, all have a fantastic Christmas and New Year. Thank you very much to each and every one of you for raising the subscribers and tuning in. Comments, likes, whichever, made us laugh. Me and Alex, like I say, we started this, we didn't know how it'd go, and we honestly, we are bowled over with the comments and everything from you guys. Some of the little presents, white mice that we got the other week, really makes us glad we started this, and it just remains for me to say goodbye, and I'll see you shortly, and hope you have a fantastic Christmas and New Year. Take care, all the best. Bye bye.